Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the dihedral angle between these two surfaces here by identifying the line of intersection, projecting an x1, y1 auxiliary, and then looking along the line of intersection to project another auxiliary to get the dihedral angle between the pink and the green surfaces. So let's get to it. What we'll do is we'll head on into this question here. So the first thing you need to do is identify the line of intersection, and in my case the line of intersection is going to be this line here because I want the dihedral angle between this surface and this surface. We're going to start a sketch on the top plane or in the plan view of a line, and I'm going to purposefully make it crooked. And what we need to do is we need to look directly at the line of intersection. So we need to make this line parallel. Hold Control, select the line, and then select the line of intersection and click parallel. What we can do now is we can make that line however long or short we want, and it won't interfere with the line being parallel. And then green tick. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to Insert, Surfaces, and then Extrude. And I like to make the extrude about the same height as the front elevation in the background, and then green tick. So that is the x1, y1 auxiliary projected. So the next step now is I'm going to try and make this surface here a little bit more easier to work with, because at the moment I've got 5 points that I need to project over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this into a 3-point surface, and the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to Sketch, draw a 3D sketch of a line, and I'm going to select the top point up here and then bring it back down to this point right here and then exit. So now instead of working with 5 points, I'm only going to be working with 3. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start a sketch on our auxiliary, and we're going to look normal to, and I'm going to begin converting entities onto that auxiliary that we've just projected. So convert entities, and then convert entities. And here you can see we have our triangle there, and then exit sketch. So I'm going to extrude that by 0.2 millimeters. I'm not going to merge results, and I'm going to flip the direction so that it is facing out this way. Green tick. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to project the dihedral angle auxiliary, and the way we're going to do that is by starting a sketch again on the auxiliary, looking normal to. We're going to draw a line, and I'm going to again purposefully make it crooked, because the idea now is we need to look along the line of intersection here, which is this line here. So if I bring it up here, you can see that that line is this line here, which is projected. So hold Control, select the line, and select the line of intersection, and we're going to click perpendicular like so. And similarly again, like the last auxiliary, we can move it up and down or make the line as long or short as you want. And then green tick. So the same thing again, we're going to go to Insert, Surfaces, Extrude, and we're going to extrude the line just out as far as the line of intersection, or just a little bit beyond it, and then green tick. So this here is our dihedral angle auxiliary. So to get the dihedral angle, we're going to start a sketch on that auxiliary, and we're going to look normal to, and you can see we already have the dihedral angle here. So if I move it out ever so slightly, you can see we have the angle here. So the way to represent that is very simply just converting these two entities here. So we're going to click on this line here, convert entities, select this line, convert entities, and that is essentially your dihedral angle found. So to make it a little bit more, I suppose, visually appealing, what we can do is we can add some color to it. So I'm going to add this color here to this to match the color of this plane here, and I'm going to add another color here to the auxiliary, or to the auxiliary projections as well. We'll add some pink. So you can see they're very, very bright. So the way that we can change the brightness in that is we can click on the color we chose, and we're going to right click, edit appearance, and we're going to go to advanced illumination. We're going to go to transparency, and what we're going to do is I'm going to up the transparency of the auxiliaries, and then green tick. And we can also make it a little bit less brighter as well by going into edit appearance and then just bringing this guy up ever so slightly like so. Green tick. And what you can do is then to label it, you can do your x1, y1 line, or label x1, y1, and then label dihedral angle similarly to how I have it here. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Okay, take care. Bye bye.